Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Just Draw Something, where we learn to draw together. Hello, my name is Dane and I am a self-taught artist. I have been drawing since I was 12 years old and I am 34 years old now. However, I stopped drawing around 5 years ago and I just don't know where to begin to get back into art. So I made this channel in hopes to motivate myself and to motivate others to start drawing again. I would like to say I am not the worst artist in the world. Here are some pictures that I have done. As you can see, they're not that bad. However, I can see that I am lacking in basic fundamentals and I am also lacking in proper technique. So I'd like to ask you to join me on a quest to become better artists together. I will upload a new video every Thursday. Drop a comment below on something you would like drawn, and I will use that comment in an upcoming video. I will draw what the comment asks for, and then I will explain the steps in the process I used to learn how to draw it. Feel free to leave critique and feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Have a great day, guys.